an issue I have with this snowblower is that the engine it's working, but it's oscillating, so the idling it's not stable. It has a adjusting screw to the carburetor, but it's not exactly easy to see. So you may want just to remove the cover again, the black cover, toss it on the side, and this small heat shield has two small screws there, 10 or 9 millimeter, I think it's 10. Toss it on the side, and now look on this place. Just get the lamp properly. You may see like a you see the screw is right there. It's a Phillips screw. It's really not easy to access, but it's doable. It has like a red plastic piece underneath, but mainly I just actually had a screwdriver on it. It's a plastic screw, so be careful, don't damage it. And so I just screw it clockwise, and at one point the engine stopped fluctuating like that.